Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these really awesome abstract backgrounds in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump right into it.
Right, so we're gonna start off with our line segment tool. We're gonna make a straight line. We're then gonna go up here to stroke and we're gonna increase its width. After that, you can click on here once and then click on gradient, and we can fill our line with a gradient. Now I'm gonna change the angle of this to 90 degrees, and I'm just gonna double click on this little circle. Just double click on the circle and you can change colors of it. So I'm gonna go with pink and blue. And I'll move it up here. Actually, let's move it to the center for now. After that, we're gonna go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. We're gonna adjust its size. Make sure the preview box is on so you can see what you're changing. And we're gonna go with some smooth points, but you can go with cornered ones if you prefer. You can decide the amount of little waves you see and the height of these waves. When you're happy with it, you press OK. And let me place it up here on top. We're then gonna go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. Now we're gonna add a bunch of copies over here. You can always change it later, so no worries. Make sure your preview is on. We're then gonna add vertical pixels and look at what's happening. Pretty cool. And we're also gonna scale kind of like that. We're gonna add more copies and press OK. Now let's zoom in and look at this cool pattern we made. Now to finalize, I'm just gonna grab my rectangle tool and draw a big rectangle, swap the fill and the stroke, right click, arrange, send to back. And I'm just gonna make it one solid color. And that's it. Another cool thing you can do, go back to the transform effect. Instead of scaling it, you can decide to move it horizontally as well. And maybe reduce the, all right. And you get this really cool effect. You get this really cool thing. Press it. And you get these really awesome abstract backgrounds.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.